Good morning, students. This is your science teacher, and today I'm going to teach you science IIT. We we will continue with our last chapter, that is chapter 5, electricity and circuit. In this chapter, we discussed on the different topics of this chapter, and in last video, I explained you the electric circuit. Okay, in electric circuit, we discussed that there are some components are used for completing a circuit. The components are a device, it may be bulb, it may be switch and system also, but generally in electric circuit we are using bulb. Okay, a switch we use, and these are connected with a battery by the conducting wire. So we complete a circuit, and if we want to draw a circuit, so there is too difficult to draw in this in their original image. So we are using the symbols of the components like this. So we discussed already the components. The component of symbol of component bulb is like this, and connecting wire we draw like this, and cell we draw in the form of this, and battery, we know that battery is made up of two or more cells. So how much cells are present in a battery, we are draw like this. A switch, this is the open switch. When it touch, then it is connected switch or on switch. Okay, so there are two types of switch we show, and resistor or resistor like this, and draw a resistor in the circuit like this. Okay, then we continue with the same chapter from the next topic, open and closed circuit. There are two types of circuit we use generally. First one is open and closed. Open and closed means the circuit when switch is off. When switch is off, like this in this picture, if I ask to you, this is the circuit. Okay, and if the switch is looking like this, it means the circuit is open, means not connected. In the open switch, in the open circuit means it is open from the switch. It means it is in off condition. So the bulb it glow or not? Obviously not, because the current does not flow continuously. Current does not flow from positive terminal to and reach to the negative terminal, because here wire is disconnected. So it is a on circuit. Okay, so it is the on. Here they show the both type of circuits. It is a open circuit and closed circuit. Only one difference in this, the wire, the current flow from the positive terminal and move and going through the wire reach to the bulb and reach to the negative terminal, then the bulb is blue. But in this picture we see that the wire is not connected, so the current flow from here and stop here, not moving ahead from here. Why? Because wire are not connected. So this switch is in off condition, and this type of circuit we called open circuit. And closed circuit, when the wire is touched or connected, so the current flow continuously reach to the bulb and moving through the bulb and reach to the negative terminal of the battery. So the bulb is glow, the lamp is blue, we see here. So this type of circuit when switched in on, then circuit is called closed. Okay, so it is in open circuit is also called incomplete circuit, and closed circuit is called complete circuit. When our circuit is complete, when switched on and current flow continuously and reach to the positive to the negative terminal. Okay, so when we prepare a circuit, we are using two type of circuits. or two type of connection we made. First one is parallel connection and second one is series connection. Parallel and series. We know that series means here we see a diagram in which two devices, it means two bulbs are connected in a series. First, and in this series, then first after one, the second bulb, and 2, 3, 4, 5. If we want many numbers of bulb, we are connected in a series. Okay, so this type of circuit is called series circuit. This type of circuit is called series circuit. So the current flow from the positive terminal and moving through the switch and come to the first bulb, then it is glow, then current pass through it and reach to the second bulb and it is also glow. Then the current is used and move across the second bulb and reach, if we connect the third bulb, so reach to the third bulb and it is also glow, and the current pass through the bulb and reach to the negative terminal of battery or the cell. So the bulb is glow. Okay, so it is a series circuit because devices are connected in a series. Okay, and another circuit we see in this circuit, you see that the current pass through and from a point the wire is divided into two different lines. Okay, so these two bulbs are connected parallelly. Parallelly means at the equal difference. Okay, so the current pass move from this point and reach to the both bulb at the same time. So and in equal amount. So though both bulb are connected in the both bulb are glow in the and release the same light, and after glowing the bulb, the light, the electric current pass through it, and from a point the current is merged and move to the negative terminal of battery. Okay, so in these two type of circuit, series circuit and parallel circuit, they have some features or some advantages or disadvantages. We discuss these property in the series circuit. All the device work instantly when the when the switch is turned on. जैसे ही स्विच टर्न ऑन होगा, तो ऑल डिवाइसेस हैं वो इंस्टेंटली क्या होने लगेंगी, वर्क करने लगेंगी. जैसे हमारा बल्ब है तो वो ग्लो करने लगेगा, फैन होते तो वो मूव करने लगते. If one device stop working and in the wave series, it is a disadvantage. If suppose this bulb is fused and we passing the electric current, so what is the side effect of it? The current does not pass through it and our other devices is not glow also. सिर्फ एक बल्ब फ्यूज होने से हमारी इस सीरीज के ऑल बल्ब जो हैं वो भी ग्लो नहीं होंगे, क्योंकि करंट आगे मूव नहीं करेगा बल्ब फ्यूज होने से, क्योंकि हमारा जो करंट फ्लो हो रहा था वो बल्ब से होते हुए मूव कर रहा था. जब उसमें डिस्कनेक्ट हो जाएगा, एक फ्यूज होने पे बल्ब फ्यूज हो जाएगा तो कनेक्टिविटी खत्म हो जाएगी और आगे करंट फ्लो नहीं होगा और हमारे और बल्ब भी नहीं जलेंगे. तो ये इसका डिसएडवांटेज है सीरीज सर्किट का. अदर स्टॉप वर्किंग टू, तो दूसरे बल्ब भी वर्किंग नहीं करेंगे. Appliances do not work to their full capacity, and it is also another side effect of the series circuit. If the current flow from the first bulb, the intensity of the electric current is reduced after the first bulb, because first bulb is used a amount of electricity of the or the electrons. So a less amount of electric current is reached to the second bulb, and second bulb also used the electric current, and after crossing the second bulb, the amount of electricity or the charge is also reduced, again it's reduced, and reach the less amount of electron to the next device. तो हमारे जो भी बल्ब रहेंगे उनकी इंटेंसिटी धीरे धीरे, उनकी ग्लोइंग कैपेसिटी थोड़ी सी कम होगी, ग्लोइंगनेस थोड़ी सी क्या होगी, कम होती जाएगी। ये अच्छा ग्लो करेगा, ये थोड़ा सा कम करेगा, ये उससे भी कम करेगा, उसका नेक्स्ट जो भी होगा। क्यों? क्योंकि उसकी इलेक्ट्रिसिटी यूज हो जाती है और वो एक सीरीज में है। तो ये भी इसका एक साइड इफेक्ट है। अप्लायंसेस डू नॉट वर्क देयर फुल कैपेसिटी। पूरे जो डिवाइसेस कनेक्टेड वो अपनी फुल कैपेसिटी से वर्क नहीं कर पाते क्योंकि उनके पास इलेक्ट्रिसिटी कम पहुंचती है, जो बाद में कनेक्टेड रहते हैं। as overall current within the circuit decreases, so overall जो current है वो क्या हो जाएगा, डिक्रीज हो जाएगा सर्किट का। ओके, बट इन द पैरेलल सर्किट it is a better than the series circuit when electric devices are connected with a common junction. It is a common junction. It is a common junction. Both are connected with, from a common junction point. There are multiple paths. So the first path, then the second path, and if we want, we can use more than two paths also we use. Okay, so multiple paths through electric current can flow. So different paths हो जाते हैं जिनसे electric current flow होता है, and after flowing they are also connected with the same junction. Okay, so some properties are there of the parallel circuit. What the properties? What the advantages or disadvantages we see after the reading properties. Any device can be switched on or off. Suppose in this circuit this bulb is fused, so our second bulb is also work or not? Obviously work, because both have the different connection. So if one unit is defected or maybe device may be fused, so it not affect the function of other devices or the other bulb. So without affecting means any device can switch off or on. अगर कोई भी एक device switch off या switch on होती है तो वो हमारी दूसरी devices पे work को affect नहीं करती. Working other not affect the working devices. Okay, if one device stop working, all other device continue to work. एक अगर ऑफ होती तो वो क्या सब अपना कंटिन्यू वर्क करेंगे. Each device get enough electrical energy because each device because each device has their separate connection, so it has their separate enough electrical energy, so it may be glow in by its full capacity. Okay, I think you will understand. If you have any doubt you can ask. Okay.